Hello everyone and welcome back to another math video. Today we're going to be looking at isosceles, scalene, and equilateral triangles. All right, so here we go. Up on your screen, I've given you three triangles and I've actually given you the answers at the bottom, right? The one on the left is an isosceles, the one in the middle is equilateral, the one on the right is scalene. And so I want you to pause the video and see if you can figure out from, the picture, how do you know what the right answer is. So pause the video, give you a second to think. All right, now that you've thought about it, here is what you should have come up with, something along these lines, all right? An isosceles triangle has two sides that are the same, right? This one says 7 meters, 7 meters. This is isosceles, so two equal sides, All right, an equilateral triangle, all three sides are the same, so 3 equal sides. And last but not least, a scalene has no equal sides, so 0 equal sides. Okay? So isosceles is 2 equal sides, equilateral is 3, scalene is 0. Scalene is 0. All right, here's our cool clock for today, which means that it is time for you to practice what you just learned. Go ahead and pause the video and try these 3 problems on your own. And when you're ready, you can unpause the video and we'll check your answers. Okay, now that you've had time to work these problems, let's check your solutions. For the first problem, you should have said that it's isosceles. For the second problem, you should have said that it's equilateral. And for the last problem, you should have said that it's scalene. Now, what happens if they don't give you any numbers? Okay, there's no numbers on these problems. Once again, I've given you the answers, so pause the video, see if you can figure out the pattern here. All right, now that you've had some time to think about these problems, what the pattern you should have noticed is that an isosceles triangle, okay, these dash marks, tick marks, okay, they tell me which sides are the same. So for example, in this left green triangle, I have 1 dash mark here and 1 dash mark here, which tells me that, this side and this side are the same exact length. I don't know what the number is. Could be 5, could be 10, could be 1,000, but I just know they're the same number, the same length. All right? Equilateral, right, should be that all of them have the same length, right? That's what the dash mark tells me. And scalene, right, we have different numbers of tick marks to show me, or dash marks, to show me that, this is one length, this is a different number, and this is also a completely different number. All right, time to practice. Go ahead and pause the video, try these 3 on your own. When you're ready, unpause, and we'll check your answers. Okay, now that you've had time to work these problems, let's check your solutions. Okay, for the first problem, you should have said that it's scalene. For the second problem, you should have said it's isosceles. And for the third problem, it is equilateral. All right, that's it for today. I hope y'all have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.